Evaluate the given volume integral square root 3x square plus 3z square over E, where E is a solid bounded by y equal to 2x square plus 2z square and plane y equal to 8. Let's decide the region of integration first. This is y equal to 2x square plus 2z square. This is y equal to 8 plane. And the required region is as shown. Now let's decide limits of integration using cylindrical coordinates. X equal to r cos theta, z equal to r sin theta, y equal to y, r square equal to x square plus z square, dA equal to r dr d theta. Given that y equal to 2x square plus 2z square and y equal to 8, equating this 2 into x square plus z square equal to 8. We have x square plus z square equal to r square. So substituting r square here, we get 2r square equal to 8. Simplifying, we get r square equal to 4. Therefore, r equal to 2. Thus, we can write the limits now. Y limits are 2x square plus 2z square to 8. R limits are 0 to 2. And theta limits will always be 0 to 2 pi. Let's solve the integral now, which is equal to square root 3x square plus 3z square. Write dv as dy into dA. Y limits are 2x square plus 2z square to 8. For integrating with respect to y, this part is constant. So write it as it is. Integration dy is y and limits are 2x square plus 2z square to 8. Equal to substituting upper limit, lower limit. Upper limit is 8. First part as it is. Upper limit 8. Lower limit is 2x square plus 2z square dA. Now convert the integral into cylindrical form by substituting x square plus z square as r square. So we get root 3r 8 minus 2r square. dA becomes r dr d theta in cylindrical system. Limits of r are 0 to 2. Limits of theta are 0 to 2 pi. Multiplying root 3r from left and r from right. First term will be 8 root 3 r square. Second term will be 2 root 3 r raised to 4 dr d theta. R limits 0 to 2. Theta limits 0 to 2 pi. Integrating with respect to r now. Apply x raised to n formula for r square and r power 4. We get 8 root 3 r cube by 3 minus 2 root 3 r power 5 by 5. Just x raised to n formula is applied here. Limits of r are 0 to 2 d theta and limits of theta 0 to 2 pi. Now substitute upper limit, lower limit in individual terms. Upper limit is 2 here, substituting We get 8 root 3 by 3. 2 cube is 8 minus 2 root 3 by 5. 2 power 5 is 32. And integration with respect to theta, theta limit 0 to 2 pi. Simplifying this, as this is constant and this is integration with respect to the theta, which will be theta. So we get 64 root 3 by 3 minus 64 root 3 by 5. Integration with respect to theta is theta and theta limits are 0 to 2 pi, which is equal to 64 root 3 is common, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Substituting the upper limit lower limits in theta, that is 2 pi minus 0, so that is 2 pi. Simplifying this, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 will be 2 by 15. So final answer will be 64 into this and this also. So that is 256 pi root 3 upon 15.